Well, they should look into a CNC career because it's a growing career. Once they get that skill, it's a wide open market.
Classes go from August to March, and then afterwards there's a paid internship.
I started the program August 4th, 2025, and currently right now I'm interning for Remico Products. I feel like this course prepared me for the basic fundamentals to set foot in a real life shop.
I've learned basic measurement devices, more advanced measurement devices, a lot of setup, blueprint reading, how to run machines, lathes, mills, and then a little bit into the CNC learning programming, setting up the parts there, and then lots of speeds, feeds, what kind of parts to use, tooling. There's a lot of information.
The evening classes here at Auburn are a great opportunity for people to take advantage of because you still can make a living and then still advance your career by coming here in the evenings.
Auburn gives you a very good baseline to start off, learning everything. I've heard a lot of the companies, they kind of teach you their own processes, but they teach you a lot of the fundamentals here so you can adapt pretty quickly and figure everything out.
This school provides them with all the new machinery, the new techniques, and everything that is needed for a successful career in machining.
I mean, we really make a huge effort on teaching them to walk out of here to be good machinists.